Hello friends, welcome back to Gadgets, Gizmos and Beyond. And in this video today, we're going to explore the premium gaming microphone coming from Zebronics. As you can see, this is ZEB Lucid RGB microphone, and we're going to do the unboxing and quick review of this product. And if you are one who are looking for a gaming microphone or a microphone in general for your YouTube videos and all, should you buy this microphone? So we'll be discussing all these details in this video. So this is how the box looks like. As you can see, the MRP of this product is almost 5,599, but I got this product for below 1,000 rupees during the Amazon sale. And this is how the packaging looks like. The packaging looks really premium, and this is how all the features you can see over here. It has USB interface, it has high sensitivity condenser mic, metal body, there's also a tripod stand, and you can also mic mute option which is there. It is just plug and play, has crisp and clear audio, has RGB lights, 2-meter cable, and sensitivity control. So all those things are there in this specific product. So let's open this and see what are the contents of this product. So as soon as you open the box, you see this. You see the microphone which is there. You also have the tripod stand, filters which are also there. The microphone is really heavy. It could be close to 500 grams to 700 grams pretty easily, and this is how it looks like. And this comes with this filter and also has 2-meter long cable as well. So this 2-meter long cable, as you see, one of the end is to the USB port and the other end connects over to the microphone. This is how it looks like. And now coming to the main product, as you can see, this is how it looks like. This has the mute button over here, 3.5mm jack is here, and also sensitivity control is also here. And this is how it looks like. This looks really premium, and coming from Zebronics, you can rely on this brand. So that's pretty much it. It's a quick unboxing of this product. So in the next video, we'll do a quick review of this product. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe so that you get details of new product reviews as well as details on different projectors and all. So please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.